How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to get long fingers in 1 day step-by-step tutorial. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999. First exercise that we're going to do, really good for the fingers. It's a finger curl. That's 10, keep going. You want to do high repetitions for the fingers to get them longer. High repetitions, you guys. So that's 20, keep going. It's 30, perfect, quick little break. Okay, next exercise that we're going to do, we're going to get each finger and we're just going to pull on it like this. Don't pull too hard that it hurts. There should be no pain. So that's one. That's one full rep. We're going to do at least 5 reps. So that's 2 reps. Again, doing every single finger, all 10 fingers, is considered 1 repetition. So that's 3 reps. Keep going. Again, just a little pull. This does help to get the fingers longer. So keep going. Keep going. Perfect. Quick little break. Okay, we're then going to interlock our fingers and then press down. This is another great exercise to do. Again, we want to do it for high reps. That's 5, keep going, 6. Again, in my opinion, just 10 reps doesn't really cut it. If you're trying to get longer fingers, slimmer fingers, leaner fingers, you need to do higher repetitions. That's 13, 14, 15, keep going, 16, 18, 19, 20. Perfect. Quick little break. Okay, so then we're going to go back to this. Sorry, not this. This is a new one. All we're doing is we're just basically raising our finger up. We're technically just extending it, just like this. Again, there should be no pain when you are doing this. If there is, then you're doing it too hard or you're extending too hard. Again, all I'm doing is I'm getting my finger and I'm just raising it up slightly. That's 2 full reps. We're going to keep going. Perfect. Keep going. That's 3 full reps. Perfect. That's 4 full reps. Perfect. So end the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already.